Hi folks, I'm Deborah Kniss, real estate broker at RE/MAX, and I'm here to share this beautiful property in Thousand Oaks with you, but I'd also like to share a really important legislation that's just come out, starting January 1st, 2022. Are you familiar with SB9 California? And if you're not, let me help you, because this could very well affect the valuation of your home. So what is SB9 California? SB9, also known as the Home Act, is a state bill that requires cities to allow one additional residential unit onto parcels zoned for single dwelling units. So the question you probably have at this point is, does your property qualify for SB9? To be eligible, a property must be within an urban area and zoned for single-family use. Some restrictions apply, but the property cannot be located within an historic zone, flood zone, farmland, or environmentally protected areas, to name a few. The owner is required to live on one of the lots for 3 years, and the other lot may be sold separately. Cities are now just developing local ordinances to comply and govern the implementation of this new law. So there are many agents out there that don't even know about SB9 and lack knowledge and lack familiarity with local ordinances, and that will adversely affect the valuation of your property when selling. My recommendation is to get a real estate broker, as myself, that has an understanding of this new law and a working relationship with local planning divisions in order to ensure an updated property valuation. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that way you can experience all the different lifestyle videos for all the cities I work throughout Los Angeles and Ventura counties, in addition to learning about current legislation and local events that really affect the real estate valuations and your lifestyle. I hope you really enjoyed the tour, and please give me a call or text, and I look forward to working with you.